Okay, we're going to just focus on setting up the directory structure on your memory stick for all of the future lab assignments and homework projects you're going to work on in this class. I'm going to start by inserting my flash drive in my computer. Alright, on my system the drive's going to come up as drive E. Alright, your system will most likely be different. Alright, you'll see an autoplay window probably appear. It should appear. Alright, right there is the drive letter that my flash drive has been assigned. So take note of what letter your drive has been assigned when you insert your flash drive in your computer. Alright, it's not going to be E. It might be, but it's not necessarily going to be E. Alright, so I'm going to close this window. Next, let's navigate to my computer so you can bring it up. I have a quick link to Windows Explorer on my computer that I created because I go to it so often. If you don't have that, go to the Start button, click All Programs and Accessories, and one of the selections down there should be Windows Explorer. You can run it there. Okay. Now it usually will default by going to the Documents directory, but if you want to go to your computer, you can view all the folders down here and just select My Computer. This will show you all the drives that you have on your system. Alright. Vista separates them between your hard drives and removable drives, which might also be a hard drive, but it could be external. Alright, so mine is E. I'm going to delete this and start over. Delete, click yes. Alright, now in Vista you can create a new folder by selecting Organize, New Folder, or you can right click. Every time I say right click, it means you're clicking the right mouse button. Alright, so I click the right mouse button anywhere in the open area here, and there's also an option for New and Folder. Alright, so I'm usually accustomed to using the right click. It's just quicker for me, so I do the right click, CIS1104, click enter. Alright, I pressed enter. I'm going to double click down to CIS1104. You can see where you currently are by looking at your current folder hierarchy, and I see I'm in the E drive and down CIS1104. I'm going to right click, select new. I'm going to type lab proj. That's going to be the folder for all of the lab projects we're going to work on, and I'm going to create another folder for homework projects. Okay, and that sets up the two folders that I want to use for the semester for creating lab projects and homework projects. Okay, the last thing I want to do before the end of this little video here is to get the standard live facilities onto your drive. Alright, so I'm going to go to Blackboard. I'm on the main course page. I'm going to click on Course Documents. And one of the files listed here is Standard Live Facilities. We're going to be using this quite a bit for the first few weeks of the course. Right click on Standard Live Facilities. You should see an option called Save Target As. Select it and navigate to the CIS1104 folder if you're not there already. Alright, so I don't want you going in one of those two folders, just go to the CIS1104 folder. Alright, so I'm already there, but if I wasn't there I could go to Computer and E drive CIS1104 and I'm there. Okay, all you do is click Save, close, and if you open up the window that shows that the contents of this folder, here it is, E CIS1104. Now we have 3 items there: lab project for storing the lab projects, homework project, HWproj, and standard live facilities. Now some of you might have file extensions turned on, so then you'll see standard live facilities.h. If you don't have that turned on, then like on my system I turned it off, since the majority of you will not have that turned on. You just see standard live facilities. But just keep in mind there is a .h extension there. The operating system in this case is just hiding all the file extensions for known file types. Okay? Most Windows systems are set up to do this, so don't be alarmed if you don't see the .h there. There is a .h there. That's it. We are all set to start our first Visual Studio project.